Dear friends of Austrian art in Croatia, we are now in the third part of the exhibition Recycle, Reuse, Rethink, Poetic Recycling, Waste No More, in the Zuccato Gallery in Croatia. This exhibition will be shown from the 8th until the 31st of August. Please come and see the exhibition. In this part, Silvia Bauer, our artist, makes out of plastic waste beautiful pieces of art.
If I may interrupt.
Yes.
These are leftovers from the manufacture of Trodat, an Austrian firm.
Yes.
That creates stamps.
Oh, that's very interesting.
And it came about that I was in China, invited for 2 months to open a workshop at the university in Xiamen. And the embassy told me that there was actually this firm, they were searching to get rid of the waste because it's very bulky. So I spent time at the factory, and in the end I made a big piece for the new factory that they bought in this material, and I continued to use this waste.
This is very interesting. How did you come that you make out of garbage, out of waste, these beautiful pieces of art?
Well, I'm always searching to innovate. This is my passion.
And it's also your contribution to nature. These materials are not wasted, but they become pieces of art then.
Yes, they live again. It's a new life for them.
So you give a second life to garbage.
I hope, but I have a lot of fun doing it. And for instance, I create these things. You see here, actually, the shape of the waste is almost unaltered. They're very straight. And here it's totally altered because I heat it and I work on it. Like this is the same material than the white downstairs, but I heated it also in the oven and it becomes like leather.
Oh, very interesting.
So I mean, there's always a research behind what I'm creating. This piece has been exhibited in Carros during the 6 months of presidency of Belgium in the European Union, and it was one of the 4 pieces that they selected to show there. So I thought I'd bring it because it has a history already. And if you look here, it's the same material than this, but this is an expression of fragile, and this is an expression of force.
So it is force and fragility.
Yeah.
So this is the force and this is the fragility.
Yes. I think it expresses what I wanted to express.
It expresses very well.
And if you turn over here, those are new pieces I made because it's on the left side, they're all photographs, close-ups of the material of my columns.
Which are made of carton.
The cardboard, yes. And the different...
And this you painted with Chinese ink?
This is an original Chinese ink drawing and painting, yes. That I did in reflection to what I see on the left.
So this is your newest?
Yes.
It's very interesting. So it's a little bit of everything. It is sculpture, installation, painting, photography, and photography mixed with painting.
Exactly. And you see here, for instance, you think I made walls. No, there are no walls. It's magnets that hold up, and it's all a research I made.
Oh, this is great, because this also then you don't need to paint the walls again, but you can fix it with the magnets. So it's much better than...
It's just practical. And then when you turn around, in continuation, you again have 2 photographs of the Trash Poetry series, but here more according to the atmosphere of the floor that I selected.
Actually, what is this?
These are cables. I took the picture there Actually, they stayed outside in the sun and it became
And so they melted.
more agglomerate.
Very interesting. So can you also please see?
Oh, this is just cardboard, but I took the picture when it was freezing. So actually you have
These are ice
frozen,
crystals on
yes,
it.
ice crystals on it.
It's really beautiful. It's so
So my
poetic.
series, I just call it trash poetry because it's the poetry of the leftovers. And
Yes, there's a lot of poetry in it too. And this cross out of cardboard, what does it mean?
well,
It's
I
like-
call
it
it
looks like-
turbulence. It's something. There are calm moments and other more turmoil moments, and this is partially burned. So I did several pieces in burning the cardboard.
I think there is a lot for interpretation in this piece of art. It's really very interesting. Thank you very much for showing us your pieces of art.
Yes, and I thank the Gallery Zuccato for the invitation because it's a beautiful gallery.
In Poreč, Croatia. And also thanks to the Austrian Cultural Forum in Zagreb.
Of course, and to Marina Christoph who heads
Thank you.
the forum. Yes.
Thank you very much. And I have to tell, this exhibition is also under the initiative of the Austrian Minister for International and European Affairs, Imagine Dignity, where we want to show the dignity of humans and nature and the relationship human and nature. So therefore we want to give pieces of waste a new life as pieces of art. Thank you.